Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, you know of course that it is a joke a minute anytime you hear the name Dino Melaye, and this time it is no different. So with that guys, I bring you this. Dino Melaye, I am better in bed than Yaya Bello, Senator boasts. So that's the headline. Dino Melaye, I am better in bed than Yaya Bello, Senator boast. So now let's see what our comedy Dino is going to entertain us with this time around. The People's Democratic Party PDP's candidate for the Kogi West Senatorial District rerun election, Dino Melaye, has boasted that he is more active in bed than the governor of the state, Yaya Bello. Melaye also said that he is taller, more handsome, and educated than Governor Bello. The senator, speaking during a rally in the state, said, "You all know Yaya Bello. There is nothing I don't have more than him. Number one, I am taller than him. Number two, I am more handsome than him. Number three, I am more educated than him. And if it comes to Kerewa, I can do better than him." So now this is Dino now in full comedy mode. He assured his supporters that he will bring about unprecedented development in the district and take the payment of salary as priority. The senator said, "I want to assure you of the kind of development that we have not seen before. Salary payment is compulsory, paramount, mandatory, and a must." The victory of Melaye was on Friday, October the 11th, nullified. That is the previous victory, his original victory. So I'll take that again. The victory was nullified by the Court of Appeal in Abuja. Delivering the verdict, Justice Yahaya Tigo, the head of a three-member panel of the court, affirmed the earlier judgment of the Election Petition Tribunal, which had set aside Melaye's victory. So that is just the short and to the point story, and the real narrative, of course, is Dino Melaye again, ever in full Dino Melaye mode, now telling us now that he is even better in bed than Yaya Bello. And then the obvious question, the first question that you naturally want to go to is, how do you know that? So have you had the privilege with